6:15 in the morning, get my exercise. Going to Las Vegas today. It's a simple plan. 8:30, drive over to St. Louis Lambert. 9:15, take a taxi to Spirit of St. Louis. 11 o'clock, take off. 3 hours and 20 minutes to Las Vegas. Get a ride over to the Las Vegas airport. Take off 6 p.m. Get into St. Louis at 11:30. We already have our cars there. Drive home, back by 12. Left the house at 8:30, running right on time. I gotta set my GoPros up. Fuel truck's on the way. That's a good thing. The sound you hear is the sound of fuel going from the truck through the hose into the piping in the airplane to the tanks. 750 gallons is what we're taking on Jet A. D1, DR. Positive rate. Out over Colorado now. What's interesting in here I could talk about?
Where we're at on the map.
Oh, there you
GUC?
go.
GUC.
What is GUC? Yeah, we can pull it up right there. Gunnison.
Gunnison.
I've flown into Gunnison. It's been a long time. Out in the mountains there. You see snow up ahead.
Well, that must be it right over there. Not a big place at all.
Did I tell you I went into Gunnison once and we picked up a lady who only had one arm?
No.
No legs and one arm. She had, I think it had been an accident. Very nice lady, but she absolutely refused any help getting on the airplane. She got herself up those steps and on that plane and in her seat, and it was just absolutely amazing.
Yeah, somebody sent me a video here a while back, and there's a little kid, had no legs and no arms. He was going up these steps to get up to the slide.
Really?
And he made it all the way up and made it down the slide.
Oh my gosh, that is wild.
Yeah.
That is absolutely incredible.
Just kind of wiggling up there.
That he could do that.
I can't remember the caption, but something like, you know, you think you got a bad.
We got an hour and 6 minutes to go. This is power our generators are putting out there.
Hotel Alpha.
It's going to be hot in Las Vegas.
And that is a beautiful lake, but there's nothing around it.
Good afternoon, Denver Center.
Okay, see all this smoke over here? That's all coming out of the Durango area where they got forest fires.
Flip the switch for me, it's 3540.
Switch the take.
Down in that valley.
All that smoke, you'd think we could see some planes.
Yeah, but you know, I can't see the other side of that smoke. It's thick.
Yeah.
Tell you what, I'm glad we're not landing at Durango.
50 miles to the south of us.
Fly runway heading, I'll call you turn.
Autopilot disengage.
Call the turn publicly.
Flaps approach.
Flaps approach.
Skyline 5 Mike Juliet, turn left heading 175.
175, 5 Mike Juliet.
Okay, gear down for landing check.
Skyline 5 Mike Juliet, contact departure 125.9. Good day.
25.9, thanks, 5 Mike Juliet.
And I'm going to start turning in.
Landing gear is down at 3 green.
Flaps the land.
Gotta go. Flaps land. Yeah, you don't want to get too close to those buildings.
Yep. Oh, they'll
get
start
awful excited.
screaming at you.
Real excited.
Okay, we're looking at the right.
Yep.
500.
Yacht Empress disengaged.
Let me check the weight.
Las Vegas target afternoon, 10 at 827, left base 19 right.
827, Las Vegas tower, wind 0707, runway 19 right, clear to land.
19 right, clear to land, 10 at 827.
Speed brakes.
Okay, 8 left, and we'll pick up X-ray Hotel and we'll shorter November, counting 40.
993.
How am I looking
Good
over
over here.
Okay. Shutdown checklist.
All right, parking brakes.
I'm holding on the brakes.
FMS.
Okay, we got all that taken care of. My controls tied off. Yep, it's done. There we go. Okay, we're gonna have lunch at Ellis Island. We've got crew car number 3. That's what we're looking for. There we go. Not bad. Crew parking.
Yeah, this should take us right to it.
Casino, cafe, and barbecue. Good place to eat. I'm still here. Two hours and 42 minutes back. 16 hours total today. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the likes and comments. And if you made it this far, you need to subscribe. That way you'll find out about future videos coming out. And if you want to buy me a cup of coffee, you can always toss a buck in my Patreon. I appreciate everything. You guys keep the blue side up, the brown side down, and fly safe. And as always, be good.